Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So today I am back with a new video guys. So if you want to watch this video, before that please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So the most important updates I would be saying. So Luna has been launched on Trust Wallet also. So now you can stake Luna in Trust Wallet also. So the other thing is BNB is burned. So 17th burn has been completed. Nearly 1 lakh 33,500 and no 10 13 lakhs 35,888 BNB has been burned. If you hold BNB, congratulations. So coming back to the video, so I would be showing you in what are the airdrops you would be getting for staking which currency. So firstly, I have gathered so much information guys. Please give a like so that I would be getting so much motivation so that I can make more videos. So governance takers on Anchor protocol are the first of 3 groups eligible for the kinetic airdrop. So a total of 10% of the generation supply amount would be distributed among ANC stakers. Who do you think the other two? So 10% of allocation of the total supply. So as you know, if we are holding 100 tokens, so it is around 10 tokens guys. So it is so huge. So 29% of the total airdrop amount will be distributed among ANC stakers. So what is ANC? So where do we stake ANC? So I would be showing you everything guys. Please don't miss anything. Okay, if you miss you will regret. That's it. Anchor protocol. Okay, app.anchor protocol. Okay, so this is a protocol based on Stellar project. Okay, so I would be showing you in brief. So firstly, if you can see 1 AUST equal to 119 USD. So this much amount is logged as per in USD. Yield reserve is this and price per ANC is 2.957. It is around $3. So firstly, to stake you need to click beside the wallet button. So here, okay, so if you click there you can see dashboard, my page, earn, borrow. You can also see if you have an airdrop. If it is small amount of airdrop, you should not claim because fees is more than the airdrop. Okay, click on earn. So as you can see, interest APY is 19.5. You can get, you can know how much interest you are getting and everything. If you want to deposit USD, you can deposit USD. Okay, so other than this, governance. Okay, so you can stake ANC here. Okay, click governance stake. So maximize the amount. If you have 100,000, click on stake, approve, and you need to stake one more time. Okay, so this is the way of staking ANC. So if you stake ANC, you would be getting kinetic money protocol. It is the highest amount of airdrop guys. Don't miss this. So to gather this information, I have at least took 2 days guys, because I have gathered all the airdrops on this Terra protocol which are running right now. So please give a like if you like this video. Okay, so coming to the other one, we have completed first one guys. As you know, we have already staked Terra and Luna. So we are proud to announce Luna stakers will receive airdrop of T-Land. The snapshot is yet to be taken. There are still few days to stake and become one of the T-Landers. So if you stake Luna right now also, you can get airdrop because the screenshot or snapshot hasn't been taken right now. So there is still chance of getting an airdrop. So please don't miss this. This is a new currency which is going to launch on Terra guys. So as you can see, everyone, Levana protocol, Loop. So as you know, many got Loop protocol airdrop around $200 to $300 profit. So this is not a joke guys. Do not miss any airdrop. So after completing Terra Land airdrop, you would be seeing many beautiful protocol. Okay, so Nexus Protocol airdrop campaign is only exclusive for ANC governance stakers, not for Luna stakers. So Nexus Protocol, this is a different protocol, guys. As I have already shown you how to stake ANC and what is the process. So if you stake ANC in the governance, you would be getting Nexus Protocol airdrop. So this is also a potential project, guys. As you know, Luna Bulls NFTs gave good profit to everyone. Punks in the Terraverse. So this is an NFT project, guys. So Nexus is backupping NFT project. So do not miss this airdrop. So I am explaining briefly, guys. Please understand that I have done so much of research behind this. Airdrop alert. VNFT announces airdrop 300 NFT Terra cards to random mine stakers. So what is mine? Mine is nothing but this pylon protocol. So if you want to mine, you need to stake some mine. Okay, if you want to gather this NFT, you need to stake some mine. Okay, it can be anything around $2 to $5, $5 to $10. Don't invest more than you can lose. So I will be recommending you can use $50 to stake in all the projects. $30 is enough, but $5 to $10 is for fees only. Okay, it will be so much, guys. Terra staking is so good, but the fees is little high. Okay, so after that, the next project which is coming is TerraFloki. TerraFloki airdrops are incoming. Stay tuned. TerraFloki, Terra Network UST, Luna. So airdrops incoming. So this is for Luna stakers, guys. As you can see, Terra ecosystem Lunatics. You can see. So this is for exclusively Luna stakers. Okay. Coming to the mine protocol. So if you can see here, Terra cards VNFT airdrops for mine stakers incoming. You just need to stake mine. They did not say any minimum amount or something like that. You can stake anything from 0 to 100 or 1000, as many as you can. You just need to stake it, guys. That's it. After that, coming to the last one, Stader Labs. So this is the next excellent project, guys. So in this project, firstly, if you need to claim some staked items, so you would be staking on Luna, you would be staking on Terra, STT, ANC. So you need to go to different site each and every time to collect your rewards. But Stader Labs is an uniform thing that combines all the staking platforms into one. You can claim everything in one click. So this is an excellent project, guys. So you need to fill a form. I would be giving in my Telegram channel also. So in this you can see what are the airdrops running and when they are going to take screenshot and everything like that. So these are the total projects on Terra are 131. So 83 T5 and NFT projects are 48. So as you can see, every project can be seen from here. As you can see, tags, if there is an airdrop, you can click on airdrop also, so that you would be getting the information required. Okay, so what would be the main criteria to avail this airdrop, to stake Luna or Terra or something like that? So after completing all these, I would be giving the link in my Telegram channel. So the most important part will be arriving right now, guys. So we have already staked Star Terra tokens in this app. Okay, so in this is actually a launch pad. So many asked me what is IDO. IDO is nothing but the token price would be very less compared to the launching price. So when you launch, loop has been given airdrop. So one loop equal to 1.2 USD, means you can also think as USD. So now it is launching loop round 1 IDO. In this loop will be giving token set IDO price, guys. So firstly click on research. After that click on participate. So as you can see, accept terms of use. You need to scan your face, guys. After scanning your face, you would be getting accept terms of use as verified. After that, you need to provide a government proof, so that it would be taking 2 to 3 hours of time, and it would be showing you you have been verified. Okay. After this, firstly you need to check what is the allocation, what is the IDO price. So now one token equal to nearly $1, guys. Okay. So IDO token price is 0.1 USD, market token price is $1, 1 USD. So it is nearly 10x. So if you get an allocation of $100, 100 into 10, what is the value? It is $1,000. If you get allocation of $100, okay. If you get allocation of $50, you would be getting $500 after the pool ends. If you can understand this simple logic, you can earn more than thousands of dollars, guys. So the platform raises 25 lakhs USD. So you need to keep some US dollars ready so that you can bridge anytime you want. So after this, there is one more IDO also. So we are already staking in Orion protocol. So Orion protocol is also thinking of launching the IDO. So let's check that one too. So Orion money coming soon. So they haven't launched anything yet. So just the total supply is this. IDO token price is not launched, market token price is not launched, but you just need to participate so that you would be verified. So when the token sale comes, you must be ready to participate in the IDO. IDO is nothing but making a millionaire a billionaire. So if you forget this line, you are going to, if you don't risk some amount of money, you can't have much. Okay, this is the only thing I want to say. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you don't like the video, you can unsubscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.